Linking a bank account on Current is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances more effectively. Follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Open the Current app. Download and install the Current app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and log into your Current account or create a new account if you don't have one. Step 2. Navigate to the settings. Once you are logged in, locate the settings icon, usually found in the upper corner of the app. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Link Bank Account. In the settings menu, look for the option that says Link Bank Account or Add Bank Account. Tap on this option to begin the linking process. Step 4. Enter your bank information. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details, including your bank's name, account number, and routing number. Make sure to input this information accurately to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and verify. After entering your bank information, review the details for accuracy and confirm the linking process. You may need to verify your account through a small test deposit or by logging into your bank account through the app. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to your current account. You can now easily transfer funds and manage your finances all in one place.